Introducing Atlato Vector. Fully AI agentic operations for transport, warehousing, cold rooms, and total logistics. Warehouse labor can be up to 65% of fulfillment cost. One late truck can turn that labor into waiting time.
Automated labor requirements are sent to warehouse managers, including loading and unloading plans with detailed reports. Each truck's loading pattern is generated and shared.
Atlato Vector plans the team, dock time, and truck loading before the truck arrives. It can support 15 to 25% more cargo, 50 to 73% faster truck turn time, and 60 to 70% process savings. Ready to transform your transport and logistics operations with AI? Book a demo today.